Hello everyone, today we'll learn how to shape momos easily. So for the first one, make 4 slits, place stuffing, pick the opposite sides and pinch in the middle to stick. Now join the ends to shape petals. Pick the remaining sides. This time stick it to the side of the petals, not with each other, and join the ends. Gather the 4 ends and stick in the center. Place your finger in the holes to join them together this way and repeat to form a flower shape. Start pinching from a side. Now make plates on one side and stick with the other like this. Repeat it until you reach the end. We'll start like the previous one, but this time we'll make the deeper plates. Once we reach the end, twist the ends together to join and make a small circle. Place 3 sheets overlapping 1/3. Stick, put the stuffing. Do not put too much of stuffing. Lift from one side and stick here, not at the edges. Now start rolling from one side and secure the end. Now with your finger open the petals to shape the rose. Place the stuffing and fold it into half. Stick and make impression in the middle. Now join the ends to make the rosebud. Stick around 1/3. Now join the remaining like this. Secure well and it's done. This time we'll make 5 divisions instead of 3. Stick them well. Now roll these to make the flower shape and stick in the middle. Start by pinching one side, press it down, pick the sides and join them together, press it again and repeat until you reach the end. Secure the end by pressing it and it's done. For this one, gather the 4 sides and stick in the middle, secure the edges and press it down a bit. And it's ready. Thank you for watching. I'm sure this will help you. Make sure to like and subscribe to Easy. Thank you.